Sometimes it can be really hard to keep track of every process at a foundry. Large production halls, complex production lines, and casting in different alloys can make it difficult to oversee every step of the casting process and to make the right decision. To keep die casting machines running at full efficiency, the dosing and holding furnaces should always be fed with enough liquid metal. Refilling your dosing furnace at the wrong time can lead to production downtime and can affect your bottom line. But don't worry, we have a solution. Our refill monitor uses real-time production data to manage multiple casting lines to ensure timely supply of molten metal. It helps to prioritize which line to fill next. It is cloud-connected and requires minimal installation effort, with the IoT infrastructure provided by Norican Digital. It can be retrofitted on any dosing or bailout furnace. A color-coded dashboard with gauge widgets displays fill level, refill quantity, countdown to next refill, and the type of alloy for each furnace. This means operators know exactly when to refill each furnace and with what amount of molten metal. It also helps operators to ensure that the correct alloy is supplied. The dashboard can be displayed on a tablet, installed on the forklift, or on a smart TV. The solution was designed to improve machine uptime and productivity. By making it extremely easy for operators to access, interpret and act on critical filling data, the dosing and holding furnaces are never low on molten metal and are always working at an optimal capacity. The indication of the maximum refill quantity per casting line avoids overfilling and downtime. Applying data-driven digital technology offers foundries the chance to maximize productivity and unlock profitability. Experience the power of sensor data for perfect refilling. For more information, call your Norican Group representative or visit noricandigital.com.